Happy birthday, Nanay, to all the best.
Ayan, okay. Thank you very much. Stay ka lang dito, kuya, for the full picture taking. All of the participants for the 7 balloons. Bye-bye, Rocky! Ayan! Rocky! Yes! Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating all sa birthday sa naman. Alam niyo na po kung ano yun. For the port of this program, the 7 bills. Ayan po. Sa mga kasali po for the 7 bills, umpisa na ninyong mag-withdraw. And now, first for the 7 bills, no other than si Ninang Cora! Ninang Cora? Ayan, kababago lang pong fans niya sa ATM. Ninang Cora, okay.
Maria Noemi, happy birthday. Maria Noemi, happy birthday.
And kiss po kayo. And now, 1,000. Thank you very much po. Isa lang po tayo dito para pakanaman natin si Ninang Cora. And now, next one is si Ninang Chona! Ninang Chona? Once again, may I call Ninang Chona? Okay, pass to Ninang Jezabel. Ninang Jezabel. Ninang Jezabel, you are the 4 out.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Mag-aaral ka sana ng mabuti para matulungan mo kami.
Okay, and kiss ka naman po, Nina. And 1, 2, 3, and stay lang po tayo dyan. Stay lang po tayo dito, Nina, kasi po mamaya may full picture taking. And come back, Nina. Si Nino! Ay, Ninang Liza. Andito pala po si Nina.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Babait ka ha.
Kiss po kayo sa birthday sabat and 1, 2, 3. Okay, dito lang po tayo, Nina, Liza. And next is si Ninong Bisale. Calling Ninong Bisale. Once again, may call Ninong Bisale. You are the part for the 7 minutes. Ayan, pogi ni Nino, my fairness.
Wish you all the best and happy birthday.
Yes, and kiss po kayo sa inyong inaanak. And now, 1, 2, 3. And Ninong, stay lang po tayo dito. Mamaya po kasi may picture taking po tayo. And next one, Ninong Rizal, call si Ninong Joel. Ninong Joel, Mami Sally. Ayan, last but not the least, yung Ninong the 7 bills, Mami Sally. Yes. Malapakan naman po natin si Mami.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, okay. Palakpakan naman po natin si Mami Sally. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ninang, picture taking po tayo. Ayan, lapit po tayo sa ating birthday salbat. And her escort, when I stand up to a full picture taking. Kasama si Mami, si Ninong, si Nina. Pag tinawag po natin dito, ang birthday sa kumon po ang maglalagay ng wine. Ha? Okay. Ayan. And first, for the 7 shot, for the wine is si Kuya Ian. Ayan, Kuya Ian. Kunti lang, Kuya Ian.
You all the best. Sundin si Mami at Papa.
Yes! Okay, stay lang po tayo dyan. Ninong Ian, tingin nyo for our good message to the birthday salon. And next is si Kuya Nico. Kuya Nico.
Happy birthday, Noemi. I wish you all the best at good luck sa iyong studies. Enjoy life.
Yes, and thank you very much, Kuya Nico. And third for the seventh children called Kuya Joel. And nilagay po ng white. Okay. And
Noemi, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sundin mo yung mga magulang. Happy birthday.
thank you very much, Kuya Joel. And next is Kuya Ace. Ayan, Kuya Ace.
Happy birthday, Princess Kulit Noemi. Sana makinig ka sa magulang ko, sa mga tito at tita mo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Okay, and thank you very much, Kuya Ace. And next for the seventh shot, Kuya Nelson. Ayan, nagtanong na po siya. Sabi po niya sa akin, ako na yan. Ayan, sabi niya sa'yo, konti lang, ipunuin mo.
Happy birthday.
Ayan! Ang haba! Ayan, opo. Okay, and next is Kuya Paul. Kuya Paul? Paul? Ayan, ayan, sige. Tama na, punoy mo ba?
Noemi, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Magpait.
And now, to the over the seven shot one, may mga last na ako is si Kuya Angelo. Ayan, kasama mo na pati bote. Joke lang, ayan.
Noemi, happy birthday. Lagi sinasabi nila magbait. May mabait naman. Yan.
Okay, yung pong ating mga kuya, all of the percentages for the 7 wine. Okay, dito po konti, compress tayo ng konti mga kuya. And now, 1, 2, 3, cheers! Cheers! And bottom, let's go! Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga kuya. Ayan po. Okay. Maraming salamat natin yan, the summer roses. Rose. Check it. Check. Yeah, there we go for the 7 roses and the 7 dance. First for the 7 dance and roses. Please give a round of applause to Daddy Noel. Ayan. First rose si Daddy Noel. Yes. And Daddy Noel. And get one rose and give it to your beautiful baby. Palakpakan naman po natin and sweet dance po tayo. Sweet dance, yes! Para ba tayo mga kamay din natin happy birthday sa naman? Happy birthday sa naman! Nabunot po, nabunot. Next, nabunot po.
Ikaw, kita ko.
Anyari? Nabunot? Isaksak mo your baby up. O, palakpakan naman po natin si Kuya Nelson. And next to Kuya Nelson, may I call si Lolo Benny. Lolo Benny. And this man, may I call Lolo Benny for the third time. Hindi matahimik ang puso ko.